guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another tech review video. And I would like to say that I am so stoked in the next coming videos that I'm gonna upload soon, because in today's videos and the next coming videos, I will be talking about my favorite microphone brand, Deity microphones. So, welcome to this first video, and it's going to be about the Deity S-MIC 2S. In this video, I will do an unboxing of the product, talk about the specs of what this mic is capable of, and lastly, give you a sample of me using the S-MIC 2S in certain situations. So, for the purpose of this review, all the audio was recorded using the S-MIC 2S, and it's connected to the HD-TX. If you guys subscribe and follow this channel, I will also be talking about the Deity HD-TX in a separate video, so watch out for it. Right off the bat, you have a nice hard waterproof case, which I really appreciate how they protect their audio gear. It shows how much Deity cares about their product. Inside the hard case, you have the manuals and warranty card, 3 8-inch microphone clip, foam windscreen with a Deity logo, silica gel, which honestly you should not eat nor throw it away, and finally the Deity S-MIC 2S. So that's basically what's inside the box. So in terms of specs, it's really straightforward. The S-MIC 2S is perfect for things like reality TV shows, indoor sit-down interviews, and indie filmmaking. The S-MIC 2S is a professional short shotgun microphone. It weighs only 85 grams, which is equivalent to 3 ounces. It is so light that you might forget that you have a microphone in your boom pole. It is the little brother of the S-MIC 2, which has the same weather-resistant feature, but it is shorter, lighter, and has a slightly wider pickup pattern. The microphone uses phantom power, meaning you need to connect it via 3-pin XLR in order to use it. Alrighty, now that we're done doing the unboxing and talking about the specs of this product, I will give you samples of me using the S-MIC 2S in certain situations. Hey guys, I'm currently here inside my house, and this is our living room. So just a disclaimer, my room here is not soundproof, so you may hear some ambient noise outside this room. It would be better if your studio would be soundproof, just so you can maximize the capabilities of the Deity S-MIC 2S. Okay? So this is an audio testing of the Deity S-MIC 2S. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm gonna move around this room just to show the capabilities of the HD-TX. The HD-TX is the one that's connecting to the Deity Connect. So this is the convenience of having a wireless system, so that you don't have to worry about any wires, and this is how it sounds like indoors. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a testing of the Deity S-MIC 2S in terms of how it rejects sound. So since it's pointing towards me, you can hear me directly. Now, what if I move it 90 degrees off axis? So this is what the Deity S-MIC 2S sounds when it's at 90 degrees off axis. And now, this is the Deity S-MIC 2S at 180 degrees off axis. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna test the S-MIC 2S in terms of how it rejects sounds in an outdoor situation. So it's currently pointing at me. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm now gonna move the Deity S-MIC 2S at 90 degrees off axis. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Deity S-MIC 2S at 90 degrees off axis. And now I'm gonna move it at 180 degrees off axis. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can you still hear me? No? Yeah? Yeah, awesome. So that's the sample I did in both indoor and outdoor scenarios. Honestly guys, I have to give Deity a double thumbs up on what they did in the S-MIC 2S. How they made the audio so clean was really impressive. I for one was really surprised how it rejected sounds really well. That, my friends, I'm speechless. Yeah, yeah, I'm really speechless about this microphone. It's really, really good. Anyways, just a heads up, I will also be talking about the Deity Connect system in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for it. Anyways guys, I will end my video about the S-MIC 2S. I do hope you like it and you got some points about the product. And if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to my social media pages. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next tech review video. See you guys!